Hello friends, see you again with
Gerri Channel.
How are you? I hope you are well. This time we will assemble the vehicle friends. What vehicle? Do you know what vehicle this will be? Let's wrap. This is the part.
This is vehicle head.
This is a vehicle body.
This is vehicle crane.
This is the wheel. This is the bolt. And this is a screwdriver. Let's wrap.
We attach the head to the body.
Install the bolt.
Next, we install the crane.
Install the bolt. Then we install the wheel. Install the bolt. Install the bolt. Install the bolt. Install the bolt. And finally, we attach the front. Install the bolt. Wow, it's finished! Do you know what vehicle is this? Yes, you're right!
This is a sanitary agency vehicle. The name is crane truck.
Don't break your toys, friends. Take care and save it so you can play it again. See you again. Bye bye.